Okay, hello guys. So welcome back to our YouTube channel.
Yeah, welcome back.
So we promised you guys
Some outdoor
outdoor
videos.
videos. So finally we decided to do one today.
Yeah.
You know, it's kind of, the camera might not be very cool, but I think
Because
you guys
it's
will enjoy.
cloudy today.
Yeah.
It's
But
not sunny.
but I think you guys will really enjoy it. Like, we are really seeing some amazing things right now. We're currently at Ueno Zoo.
Tokyo.
Ueno Zoo in Tokyo, and we hope you guys enjoy
Today's
today's video, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and enjoy.
Yeah, I'll show you guys just the zoo.
Yes.
But now we saw a festival. I'm going to show you guys everything about it. It's so cool. You guys will enjoy today's video. We love you all. Stay tuned.
Yeah.
So guys, we just got to Ueno Park, and the park is really big. During the cherry blossom time in Japan, and I think that's spring, you have a lot of families come out here to have picnic and all that, because you have a lot of cherry blossoms on the trees, and it's really beautiful. Yeah, so we're heading towards the festival, and that's it over there, if you can see. And yeah, we're gonna see what's happening in there. And we weren't actually expecting to see the festival. We actually came down to the zoo. That's what we actually came here to do. But then we saw this. Yeah, lucky. So we just want to check it out. Yep, we're walking in now. The weather is pretty cloudy today. Yeah guys, let's enjoy and see how it is. Oh wow, they have a lot of stuffs in here. I think they're selling different things here. You can buy food and other stuffs like we're seeing right now. Yeah, it's really cool. Oh, and then I think you can actually buy and sit out here to eat or just enjoy or something. What's this? And yeah, so pretty much that's it. We're gonna show you guys how it is, and so you can also enjoy it alongside with us. Yep. All right guys. Yeah, so we're done with the festival. We just left there. We just spent a little while there to just watch, and we got some, what's that, meat? Yeah. And so they also have a museum in this place, if you can see. It's really cute, but we didn't go in because we didn't plan on going to the museum. We planned on going to the zoo at the park, so we just went past the museum down to the zoo. So they have a lot of historical stuff here, I think. So we have a lot of people going in there to the museum, but we didn't today. So we are about to go to the zoo, and yeah, we're at the zoo, and this is Ueno Zoo. We have to get like a ticket just at the entrance of the zoo. Yeah, so this is the card map. Yeah, so guys, we saw a panda. It's really cute. Like, it's my first time seeing a panda. It's our first time seeing a panda, actually. It's really cute. Like, sleeping. And like, they just feel zoos in Japan. Yeah, panda. I think just this zoo has a panda. It's really, really, really nice and cute. So guys, I'll be doing more of the talking today. In case you might be wondering like why she the only one talking. Boo is doing more of the videoing and capturing the moment while I'll be doing more of the talking. Yeah. So we saw this beautiful pavilion and took some pictures there. It's a Thai pavilion in Ueno Zoo. Wow, and of course we saw elephants. This is so huge and nice. Well, it's painful we're not allowed to go in. I really wish to touch it though, but you can just watch from outside the place. It's really, really lovely. It's beautiful. Wow, so big. So we saw a polar bear. This is a polar bear, and it's really nice. I love how the decoration is over here. It's white and beautiful. Look at the water. It's really lovely. Oh, wow. Yep, this is the monkey world. We have lots of monkey in here. I had to take some pictures though. We also saw tigers. So guys, this was the most fascinating part for me. The gorilla section. It was so nice and really funny. It's actually my first time also seeing one. Look at how big and black it is. Oh my god. So nice. Wow, we have people at the other side also watching it. Oh, look at it. Wow, like this is really big. Wow, nice. Oh no, it's sleeping. Oh wow, look at the baby. Wants to play with the mom. Wow, this is really lovely to watch. Wow, look at them. This is really beautiful. Like, it's nice. You can enjoy all this here, trust me. So if you ever stop by at Tokyo, I think you should really visit this zoo. It has lots of interesting animals and like interesting places to take pictures. Yeah, and it's really big because we couldn't go around everywhere and we couldn't record all the animals we saw, but we had fun anyway. Okay, guys. Oh, we've not showed our face since in the video, so we decided to do a little video to just show ourselves. Yeah, guys, we've been having fun. I have been having fun. How about you?
Are you sure you've been having fun?
Yes, I have.
Okay. I didn't say anything now. Okay, guys, yeah, so that's just it. We hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, for us, it's really, really, really amazing. It's just like, we feel like if we can just like compress the whole videos like into
together.
like 10-15 minutes, I'll really be happy. Like the gorilla part really amazed us. So we hope you guys enjoyed it though. That's just it.
Yep. See ya.
Okay.